Okay, this is Oliver. Oliver is overall about 42 inches tall from his head to his feet. Clothes-wise, he would wear a size 4T and 5T would fit him okay. We have a ring lever here for him, and it's good for your finger or your thumb, and good for either hand, left or right-handed. I like this the best. It's the way I always used with mine. That way the string is straight down from here, so it's easier to pull. The eyes are acrylic. They do not move. The hands and head are completely carved out of wood. If you ever have to get inside him, Oliver here, you take the staples out of the bottom of the wig. There's a screw on each side of the head. You take those out and the headpiece will open up. So if you ever have to get inside. So that is Oliver. If you're interested in Oliver, you can contact me on my Facebook page at Daniel Cuzno. Thanks for watching.